Do you have a lot of those to do at the apartments, or?
Decent amount.
Yeah. How many are in each apartment approximately? Cause
how many smoke detectors
yeah.
in each apartment? It varies. There's anywhere from 3 to 7 depending on the layout.
Oh wow.
And we're replacing all of them in a month.
Are you really?
Yep.
Why is that?
They
just need to be real hit.
Well, 10 years.
Oh yeah. Yeah, see, we were there about close to 8. Just under 8. So how's it going over there?
Decently busy.
Yeah. Oh, that's different, huh?
And you're live.
So why is that part sticking out like that in the front?
What
just
part?
the design of it?
Yeah, that's just the design.
Okay, so where is it tested at then?
The button, the little button.
Right in the middle?
No, not in the middle, just kind of off to the bottom.
Oh. Okay.